Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing top 10 Robert Pattinson movies.
Just gotta get America before something bad happens.
Cosmopolis. The film details the circumstances and odd characters Packer meets on his way to the barber. During his journey, his life starts to crumble as he starts to lose his fortune due to a drop in currency rates. All the while, he mentally starts to unravel and do bad things. Some critics found the film hypnotic and profound, while many viewers were left a bit confused. The Rover. The film The Rover has a bit of everything from a dystopian reality to Western themes, and plenty of drama. It takes place in Australia after a global economic collapse. Pattinson is one of the supporting characters as Reynolds, a naive young man who becomes sheltered by those around him. After a burglary went wrong, a former soldier named Eric goes on a bender through the lawless Australian wasteland. He is forced to bring Reynolds along after being injured during the robbery. The King. The King created a frenzy on social media when the trailer and the film was released, starring Timothy Chalamet in the lead roles as Henry, Prince of Wales. The epic historical romantic drama also includes Pattinson in a supporting role as Louis the Dauphin. The film centers around Henry forced to take over the throne, still unprepared and having to deal with politics, war, and his own past. Tenet. Pattinson's newest film, Tenet, has the film industry raving and being titled as one of the best action thriller films of the year. Pattinson stars in one of the main roles alongside John David Washington as a character known only as the protagonist. Critics have praised the films for being grandiose, mind-boggling, and for an impeccable wrapping up reality. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Back in 2005, Pattinson played the character Cedric Diggory in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. The role was loved by his fans for cute charm and good heart, and they wept over his tragic end. During the Triwizard Tournament, Cedric enters the representative of Hufflepuff. He is foremost amongst his peers and develops a slight bond with Harry. By the end of the tournament, he and Harry reach the cup but find it to be a portkey to Voldemort's trap.
I don't want eternal glory.
High Life. High Life was a 2018 sci-fi horror film starring Pattinson in the lead role as Mont. The film got good ratings from critics for its super visuals but also for its gritty and challenging storyline that questions concepts like human evolution and space. On board a ship is a group of prisoners and a doctor. The prisoners are used as guinea pigs by the doctors who hopes to create a child through artificial insemination. The film goes through Mont and the crew's journey in being part of a dangerous mission and an experiment.
Bright idea.
The Lighthouse. The Lighthouse, a psychological thriller also starring Willem Dafoe, is one of Robert Pattinson's best films and proves his knack for making mostly interesting and challenging choices post-Twilight. The black and white movie has been praised for being dark, gripping, and unsettling. Pattinson and Dafoe played two lighthouse keepers who start to lose their sanity when a dangerous storm leaves them stranded.
Help me to recollect.
Good Time. Taking the number one spot for Pattinson's top-ranked role in the 2017 film Good Time. It takes viewers on a roller coaster of intense emotions, bad decisions, and doing what's necessary for family. Pattinson plays the main role of Connie Nicholas. Connie is in charge of his mentally disabled brother but is ill-suited for the task. He comes up with a plan to rob a bank that goes wrong and lands his brother in jail.
You're incredible, do you understand? Yeah. Let's get to Virginia, man.
So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.